Hi everyone, welcome to the Random Home Gadgets channel. Aura is one of the top-rated brands for digital photo frames. In this video, I'll show you the unboxing, setup, and review of the Aura Harper digital frame. The Harper version is the Costco version. It's the same as the Mason in the auraframes.com. This digital frame features 9-inch Full HD display, free unlimited storage for photo and short video, landscape or portrait orientation, easy setup for self or gifting to others. Now let me open it and take a look. Initial setup. Step 1. Connect power adapter. Step 2. Pair with the phone app. You may also set up the frame as a gift and preload it with pictures before sending it to your friends and family. There are several ways to do that, depends on you and your friend's situation. You may see the detailed instructions at the Aurora Frames website. Frame controls. You may use the touch bar at the top of the frame to perform basic controls. Swipe to scroll through pictures. Short tap to show photo information such as location, shared by who, and customized comments. Long press to show more options, including removing the picture or turn off the frame. Multiple short taps to like the picture. To change orientations between landscape mode and portrait mode, simply turn the frame to the respected orientation. App controls. At the activity page, you may see the history of activities such as who added the photos. You may like the activity or add comments on it, just like most social media pages. You may add additional photos by tapping the Add Photo icon. At the photo page, you may select an uploaded photo to hide it. Share it with your friends. Adjust the position of the photo. Or make it show up on the frame right away. At the Aura Home settings, you may add more frames. At the frame settings, you may change the name of the frame. Add family members to control the frame. Set notification preferences. Change the timing of slideshow. Change the photo order. Change autoplay video setting. Change photo background. Change device on/off time. Use the app as a remote control. Change language. And adjust speaker volume. Here are my final thoughts of the Aura digital frame. Pros: simple and elegant design, high quality HD display, easy to set up, unlimited photo storage. Cons: no local storage, need stable Wi-Fi connection, not a touch screen. Overall, the Aura digital frame is a beautiful digital frame that's easy to set up. It's a great gift for yourself and for your friends. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, please write them down in the comment section below. See you next time.